Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing this awesome recipe of waffles. The base is super easy to make and really delicious. Follow my channel to see more recipes. First of all, we'll take 2 eggs. Then add 50 grams of sugar. Then mix this with a mixer till it gets to this consistency. Add 200 milliliters of milk. Then mix again. Then add 200 grams of flour and 1 tablespoon of soda. And then mix again. One big apple, peel it and take out the seeds. Then shred it. Then add the apple into the base and mix it well. You can add 2 apples if you really like it. Then put some oil into the waffle maker. I'm using cocoa oil. Then add the mixture. Then, when it's all done, I prefer doing half of a waffle because they do become smaller and it's easier and faster than making them. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked this video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. If you really like this recipe, tell me in the commentaries which recipes should I do next. You can use with these recipes any chocolate based or some sweet milk, anything you want. This will be super delicious and it's also really easy to make. Thank you for watching.